finished as like a normal metal. Like this is metal, but that's super smooth and well finished. But this is printed, so you get a kind of it's really super textured and super soft and rubberized. And that's why the gloves kind of key into this. So when you push, you get a lot of kind of movement without too much shoulder pressure, particularly at point of weight. So you don't slip, you get more grip.
Currently, wheelchairs are obviously heavily stigmatized. They're very mechanical, they're seen as medical devices, and you speak to any wheelchair user, and some of the things that come out that are really powerful and that move you are that this is an extension of their body. It isn't just a medical tool. It is a necessity, but it's so heavily integrated in their lives that we really think that it needs to express that. And the physicality of it really needs to be that sinuous, flowing sense of movement that's really joined up to the way the body looks and feels.
So they kind of compress when you sit on it. So all of these, there's lots of layers, lots of lines in it. And that's because it's printed it in layers. So each layer is like a layer of plastic that's kind of...
You can create super complex forms and constructions that give you a lot of benefits. So, we're layering different materials together to get integrated dampening suspension in the seat, which is both lighter and more cost effective than putting like sort of big suspension systems in the framework. So for us, it was about utilising the technology and getting as much bang for our buck as we could from that sort of approach. They already scan people's bodies for chairs in waiting rooms. So we're sort of talking about, okay, let's try and reduce injury, improve broken ones, fastest ones, The whole process of fitting a wheelchair to somebody is quite arcane. So it's an industry that is a bit like the bike industry. You have small setups, cutting and welding and making frames and seats that are approximately the right size for people. And you even get small, medium and large. And that's kind of ridiculous when you think about trying to fit such a diverse range of body shapes and issues as well. It's horrendous, really, the type of sores and the type of discomfort, repetitive strain, all of these kind of things. So if you can make, like a glove made to measure, fitting perfectly on somebody's body, like a second skin, it kind of removes the issues of sitting in this kind of quite mechanical, heavily stigmatized object. And the upside is that you create a more pleasurable experience. Ride comfort goes up, injury goes down. And you have something that's much more connected to the body. Essentially, a wheelchair is an extension of the human body, and that's how it needs to be thought about.
So the rubber itself is, you won't see a valve on the wheel, you know how to replace it. So you particularly like the soft. Even though it's